Hi students, this is Jagdish GM, Department of Physics, Kottureshwara College, Kottur. Today I am going to demonstrate one of the important experiment of the BSc 4th semester, damped oscillations. So what is the aim of the experiment? So here determine the damping constant, relaxation time and quality factor of damped simple harmonic oscillations or motions formed by bar pendulum. So see here, so this is the experimental apparatus of the damped oscillations. You are already studied in your BSc second semester. So what are damped oscillations means? So these are the oscillations. The amplitude of the oscillating body decreases as the time goes on increases. So they are called as a damped oscillations. So see here, the bar pendulum makes a simple harmonic motions. So these simple harmonic motions have some amplitude. We have to check the amplitude using a scale. So see here, the edge of the bar pendulum reaches the scale. So that is called as a present amplitude. For example, so now the one of the left edge of the bar pendulum reaches it is a measurement nearly it is equal to 15. So 15 is the present amplitude or initial amplitude of the oscillating body or simple harmonic motion. So this amplitude is decreases as the time goes on increases. So those oscillations are called as a damped oscillations. So here what is the procedure of the experiment? So here we have to going to give the oscillation to the bar pendulum. So this makes a simple harmonic motions. Yes. So see here, what are the observations? First we have to note down the initial reading or initial amplitude of the bar pendulum or nothing but a simple harmonic motions. It is called as A naught. For example, when you start the experiment, so the left edge of the bar pendulum it reaches the scale. So that is nothing but a initial amplitude. For example, it reaches the number 16 or on the scale 16. So 16 centimeter is the initial amplitude. So present initial amplitude or present amplitude. So nothing but it is nothing but an initial reading A naught. So here, so in this experiment or in this result, so here they are take 16 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Okay. So next is time for 20 oscillations. Using a stopwatch, we have to check one or two trials. So nothing but time for 10 oscillations, T1, T2, T3. So and also take the mean time T is equal to something, and also what is the time period, time for one oscillations, it is capital T is equal to T by 10. Okay, so we get a nearly approximately 1.5 or 1.4 seconds. Okay, yes. So next is what are the formula used for determine the damping oscillation or damped oscillations. So K is equal to 2.303 divided by T into slope. Then relaxation time tau is equal to 1 by 2 into K. Yes. So and also quality factor Q is equal to 2 pi by capital T into tau. Yes. So next is, so see here, when you start the experiment, first you check or note down the initial reading or initial amplitude. For example, here the initial amplitude is 16 centimeter or 16 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Then you have to move. So see here, tabular column is nothing but number of oscillations n. So here 20, 40, 60, 80 are the oscillations. So and also what is the corresponding amplitude for every 20 oscillations. Yes. So see here, so observe the apparatus. For example, you have to measure one oscillation is nothing but So see here, so when the apparatus is from its mean position and again after the maximum displacement again it reaches the mean position, it is nothing but a one oscillations. Or for example, from its mean position it reaches either side of maximum displacement, then it comes to the mean position, it is nothing but a one oscillation. Or simply, for example, when the pendulum reaches the left side or right side, it reaches the maximum displacement, then and again it reaches the maximum displacement on the opposite side, then it comes to the original initial position, it is nothing but a one oscillation. Okay, yes. So see here, for example, so 1 2 3 4, so this is nothing but a one oscillation. So see here, first you have to note down the initial reading, after that you have to count down the oscillations. So first 1 2 3 4 5 like that. So here after 20 oscillations the amplitude is nothing but 15.5. So nothing but, so initial amplitude is 16. So here the after 20 oscillations the amplitude is decreases, it is nothing but 15.5 centimeter or 10 raised to minus 2 meter. So next again, don't give the rest for your counting, then again continue to oscillating, count the oscillations. So after 20 oscillations, so for 40 oscillations the amplitude is 15 centimeter. So after 20 oscillation 60, so it is 14.5 like that. So you have to count the number of oscillations up to 200 oscillations. So for every 20 oscillation, please note down the corresponding amplitude. Yes. So see here, the amplitude numbers, they are in the decreasing order. So like that, the amplitude of the oscillating body decreases. Next, you have to calculate the log of 10 A0 divided by AN. So here A0 is the initial amplitude and AN is the number of oscillation, amplitude of the corresponding oscillations. So then you have to plot a graph of n versus log of A0 by AN. So nothing but n is the number of oscillations 20, 40, 60, and also log of 10 AN by A0 by AN. So nothing but you get the slope AB by BC, and using that slope, so using the slope, then you have to calculate the damping constant K is equal to 2.303 divided by T into slope. So here capital T is the time period for the one oscillation. Okay, yes. So next, after that relaxation time, tau is equal to 1 by 2K, and so here K is the damping constant, and next is quality factor. So Q is equal to 2 pi by T into tau. Okay, yes. So see here, damping constant K is equal to, it is nearly or approximately 0.001113 per second, and also relaxation time tau is equal to 442.4 second. That is sometime it got nearly 500. Okay, then quality factor Q is equal to, so it is nearly approximately it is 2000. Okay, but it does not any quantity. Okay, so this is all about damped oscillations. Okay, you have any doubts, so please contact me using my personal number. Okay, thank you.